Hey guys, just thought I'd give you a quick update on how the watering is going. So last night, I was up till like 2 in the morning, but I got all of those watered, to include the houseplants. All of those watered there. I got all of those except I realized I forgot that hanging plant there, so I need to water that today. I did move the shelf that I usually use for growing outside. In this corner, the black one is outside. That is Ghost. That's my new grand pup. Isn't he gorgeous? Ghost, Ghost, come here. He's not even a year old, guys. But anyway, so the two struggling Cattleya are down there where they're getting nice bright shade, but not a lot of heavy light to stress them out. And then I just kind of put some other things in there. Everything that was on the black shelf is still on there, and I just added some other things to include my Cymbidium. Loki and Ayala are apparently ready to come in, but they'll have to wait just a minute. And I was hoping that Miss Speciosa here was going to be opened. You see she's popped it a little bit, but she's not quite ready. I did move my Hippodamia over here. It was hanging in this corner, but I decided to fill in that empty space right there. Still have to flush these girls. The ones that are in organic media are already watered, so I got those out of the way. Still have to water the big girls up here, so that's where I'm going to start today, and then work my way around the shelf, and of course all of these on this side. But I was able to get a lot of the outside ones on this shelf. This shelf is rather crowded. I did put the Pearl Cooper Vanda up here as well. And I noticed, so we do have the sheath in this one. If we can get it in there, let's see. Yeah, so we do have a sheath peeking out there, but the one that had the broken leaf on it is also trying to develop a sheath. So we might actually get at least one bloom. If not, I'm pretty confident the next couple of growths, one of those is going to bloom for us. Pretty much everything else kind of got crammed in, and of course both of these are now white. I know they have that pink tinge to them because of the grow light, but they are actually really, really white when I'm looking at them. In the camera it has that pink tinge, but when you look at them straight on, you can't see that pink. I did move the two miniature Cattleyas down here with these Phalaenopsis. And I have really checked this one over. There's nothing I can visually see on it. I even got a magnifying glass to see if there was any kind of bugaroos. I don't see anything. I'm just going to kind of let her do her thing for right now and see what happens. And then this last shelf down here, I did move a couple of things down here as well. And my Saruna here has yet to open this leaf right here, so I'm wondering if perhaps we might have a practice bud in there, because normally it would have been open by now. And I am watering the hanging plants right now. This one is draining, so what I do is I soak them in this basket for about 30 minutes, and then I let them drain until they don't drip anymore, and then I hang them back up. Another reason I wanted to show you guys this is my Sologeny, I believe. I'm gonna do a better pic. I'll do a picture, but let's see if I can get it in there. I think somewhere in here, I thought I saw a growth that looks like a spike. I'll put the picture up because I can't really focus on where it is. I'm gonna leave the Vanda here, and then the other Vanda that kind of had the basket, she's hanging up here a little closer to that grow light right there, so she gets the nice bright light. And I had an epiphany because my daughter was cleaning out her room to make space. They went to go pick up her stuff. I have this lava rock, so what I think I might do, once this No ID Vanda that I got from Orchid Supply Store pushes out some new root growth, I see new roots coming, I think I'm going to pot her into the lava rock. Let me know what you guys think. But that is the update. So today will be from here all the way across, and then I will be back on my regular routine. I hope everyone is having a great day. I will see you later.